Hello, foodies. My people. How na dey? I don't come back again. No. All right. Today we're going to be making Afang soup. I've been craving it soup for a while, so I decided to make it and show you guys how I did this. So let us get into this. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to be prepping my protein. I'm going to be adding pepper, stockfish, onions, and I'm gonna add Maggi cubes, right? You can use any Maggi cube of your choice. I'll add salt and allow this to cook for a while. Once it is done, see how it's bringing out its own juice. I'm gonna be going in with little water so that it can cook properly. After that is done, I'm going to go in with my isam. This is also called periwinkles, right? So I'm going to add crayfish, red oil into this and I'll let this cook for a while. Once that is done, I'm going to bring this down, and in another pot, I'm going to add oil. I'm going to saute um, the Maggi, and I'll add the water leaf. All right, so I'm going to fry this for a little while. After frying it, I'm going to be adding crayfish. Okay, stay with me. You're going to add crayfish, right? Stir this, and I will put back the protein into this pot, right? At this stage, you might want to just leave it like this, but I don't want to leave it this way. I'm going to be adding the meat water back into this pot. Okay, I don't know how you want to make your afang. If you want to make it thicker, please add less water. Okay, so I went ahead to add my dry fish. Okay, so this is the afang. I'm gonna put it in. Okay, so I got this afang for 1,000 naira. Yes, I don't know how much you said in your area, but this is how much I got mine. I'll go in with crayfish. I'll go in with oil. Then you can just adjust one or two if you need to adjust. I added Maggie, and this is what it looks like. Yummy. I just couldn't get enough of this. It was so yummy. The meat was properly cooked. My people, let us eat. Oh, it is time to eat it. All right, so tell me what I should be preparing next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.